Hi, my name is Caitlin, and I was from the discussion board. Um, yeah, what stood out to me most in this article is that this issue is still prevailing in hospital systems today. I think that it's shocking considering that we do have a nursing shortage and there are less people going into the profession as is, and this probably is an issue that can contribute to this. It also puts patients directly at risk when it comes to treatment, HIPAA violations, and just feeling safe in the workplace altogether. Um, Interprofessional care in healthcare is real and you must work as a team. And I feel like this directly affects patients in the same relationship where a child has to their parents. You trust your parents in the same way that a patient trusts their care staff to know what's best for them, whether that's a primary care physician, a nurse, a social worker, things of that sort. If you see a dismissal within the team or attention within the team, then that may make you reluctant to trust that the care that's being prescribed to you. I also feel like this affects patients where they sense this mistrust internally within their team, that they may feel less inclined to speak up about things that are happening due to the dysfunction. And I think this is still happening because of a long standing hierarchy between doctors and nurses, where nurses are continuously considered less important than primary care physicians, even though both require an extensive amount of training and education to be able to perform in their roles. And you can also talk about misogyny in the way that nurses mostly are women and can be deemed to know less, but that's a topic for a social discussion in a different class. I don't know what may help this kind of problem other than extensive training and relying on teamwork and communication within a team. Hospitals, especially, have a lot of interconnected systems as far as staffing, digital systems, and even organizational systems that require a lot of communication. And I think it should be mandatory to enforce this communication between teams in ways that teams can work better together and professionally and collaboration wise. Yeah, that's all. I hope that